The Supreme Court of India has played a crucial role in shaping the legal framework regarding forensic evidence in criminal investigations and trials. Over the years, the court has issued several landmark judgments that have clarified the use, admissibility, and the legal standards concerning forensic evidence in India. Here are some key aspects related to forensic evidence as discussed in the context of the Supreme Court of India. Admissibility of forensic evidence. The Supreme Court has ruled that forensic evidence is admissible in court if it meets the necessary standards of reliability and authenticity. However, the court has emphasized that forensic evidence, like any other evidence, must be subjected to scrutiny and cannot be accepted blindly. Forensic evidence, such as DNA tests, forensic pathology reports, and ballistics analysis, can be powerful tools in proving or disproving the facts in a case, but they must be handled and presented in accordance with the law. DNA evidence. In the landmark case of State of Uttar Pradesh v. Ram Babu Mishra, 2001, the Supreme Court ruled that DNA profiling is a reliable and scientifically accepted method of establishing identity. However, the court also mentioned that the evidence must be collected and preserved properly to avoid contamination or errors in the analysis. The court reaffirmed the importance of the chain of custody and proper documentation when handling forensic evidence. Chain of custody. In several rulings, the court has stressed the importance of maintaining a proper chain of custody for forensic evidence. A break in the chain of custody can result in the evidence being deemed unreliable or inadmissible in court. The Supreme Court has repeatedly pointed out that all forensic evidence must be collected, preserved, and transported under stringent protocols to maintain its integrity. Reliability of forensic evidence. In cases where forensic evidence is used, the court has emphasized the need for expert testimony to establish the validity of the methods used and the results obtained. The court has also warned against placing undue reliance on forensic evidence without corroboration from other sources of evidence, such as witness testimonies, circumstantial evidence, or physical evidence. Expert testimony. The Supreme Court has reinforced the role of forensic experts in interpreting and presenting forensic evidence in court. In State of Rajasthan v. Kashi Ram, 2006, the court held that expert opinions, including forensic reports, should be examined critically and should not be accepted blindly. The court has also specified that the credibility of the expert presenting the evidence should be scrutinized.